In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate WhatsApp in Zoho CRM. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have the official WhatsApp extension installed from the Zoho Marketplace and ready for your team to configure. Before we start, make sure you're signed in to the correct Zoho CRM account with administrator permissions, since installing extensions typically requires admin access. Begin on your Zoho CRM homepage. From here, look to the top right and click the settings gear icon. This opens the admin panel where you manage features, customization, and, most importantly for today, extensions. In the settings area, locate Marketplace. This is where Zoho hosts verified apps and integrations that extend your CRM's capabilities. Go ahead and open Marketplace. Inside Marketplace, choose the All section to view the complete catalog. This ensures you're not filtering by category or vendor and can quickly search for exactly what we need. At the top, click into the search bar. Type the word WhatsApp. As you type, you should see results load beneath the search field. From the results, select WhatsApp for Zoho CRM. You're looking for the official extension listing specifically designed for Zoho CRM. If you see similar names, check the description and compatibility notes to confirm it supports your CRM edition. It's a good idea to glance at the overview so you understand what permissions are requested, what modules it touches, and any usage notes from the publisher. Click Install. Zoho will now guide you through a few confirmation screens. First, you'll see a permissions prompt. Click I allow to grant the access required by the extension. Typical permissions may include reading and updating records like leads and contacts, and sending or receiving messages via the integration. These are necessary for the extension to work inside your CRM. Next, you'll be shown terms and conditions. Check the I agree box. It's always smart to scan through the terms, especially if your organization has compliance requirements or needs to review data handling practices. After agreeing, click Install again to proceed. You'll then land on the Marketplace confirmation page. Here, tick the box that says you have agreed to the terms of service. This reaffirms your consent for the integration to run within your CRM workspace. After that, check the I authorize option. This step allows the extension to perform its approved actions on your behalf inside Zoho CRM, which is essential for automated messaging and record updates. Finally, click Continue to install. The installation may take a few moments. When it completes, you'll see a confirmation message, and the extension will appear in your installed extensions list. Depending on your layout, you may also notice new options appear in relevant modules or messaging panels. At this point, the installation is complete. If you don't see the extension right away, refresh your browser. If the install button was grayed out or you encountered an error, double check that you're using an admin profile, ensure you're in the correct CRM workspace, and retry after clearing your cache or disabling any aggressive pop-up blockers. Running this process on a desktop browser with a stable connection generally produces the best results. A few practical tips as you wrap up. Always verify you're installing the correct extension from a trusted publisher and that it aligns with your CRM edition. Make sure your team understands the permissions you approved, since these determine what data the extension can access. If your organization operates under strict privacy or industry regulations, note the terms you accepted and keep them on file for your compliance records. And if you're testing for the first time, consider performing the installation in a sandbox environment before rolling it out to production. That's it. Your WhatsApp integration is now installed in Zoho CRM and ready for configuration by your admin or implementation team. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.